In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of changing your site name on Netlify. Many users find themselves stuck with the default random names generated during deployment, but customizing this is a quick way to make your project look professional. To get started, go ahead and log into your Netlify dashboard. From your main sites list, select the specific project that you want to modify. Once the site overview page loads, take a look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. You will see several options here, but you need to click on the one labeled Domain Management. This section controls how your site is accessed on the web. Now, scroll down the page until you find the area titled Production Domains. In this section, you will see your default fallback domain, which usually ends in Netlify app. Right next to this current URL, there is an Options drop-down button. Click that button and select the option to edit site name from the list. A small window will appear where you can type in your new desired name. Remember that this name must be unique across all of Netlify. So if your first choice is taken, you might need to add some numbers or a unique keyword. Once you have entered the perfect name and confirmed there are no typos, simply click the Save button. Your site will instantly be available at the new address. Just keep in mind that any old links using the previous name will no longer work. So be sure to update your bookmarks. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope it helps you get your website looking exactly the way you want it.